Hello, welcome to this QuickBooks Online tutorial. In this video, what we're going to do is show you how to allocate customer refunds. So in this scenario, you've raised an invoice, it's been paid, you've now got to credit note that amount, and after you've sent the credit note back, you want to refund the customer that amount. So you've raised the credit note here, and that's showing the amount to refund is £100. And you can see here the open amount for this customer is 100 minus 100. So that means you owe the customer £100. And if we move to the banking here, in the current account, we've got this transaction here, which is £100 refund to the customer. So what we need to do is go in here and select that customer. In the category, we're going to use trade debtors. Sometimes this is debtors or accounts receivable, and then the VAT on that is going to be no VAT. So I'm going to add that there. Now if I go back to the customer screen and just refresh, see this has moved to 0, and all we have to do now is match this credit note up against this refund here. So the way we're going to do that is go to here, new transaction payment. We're going to set the date of that to be the date that we refunded. It doesn't particularly matter which account this is, but you could just use the same account that the refund was made from. This amount received here should be 0. And what we want here is, this expense transaction is the refund, and here's the credit note. So both of those are the same amount. So the amount to apply is 100, the amount to credit is 0. I'm going to save and close that, and then there we go, we're left with 0 open and 0 overdue. So in summary, that is how you allocate a customer refund where you've raised a credit note already and sent that to them.